actually. Okay,
Sometimes it feels like I'm actually on the fucking thing, you know?
yeah. It's just controlled so well.
Yeah. I know how to drive it anyway, so it's like controls, it's just a bit slow.
To be fair, I don't see a normal video any faster than what that is.
Yeah, to be fair, yeah.
On a realism's time level, isn't it?
Yeah.
Doesn't do that fast because then it's real, is it? At the perfect speed of a digger, isn't it? I don't know if you can do that shit where you can jolt the, you know, if you get shit stuck in there. I don't know if you can jolt it, like push the button. You know how they can do that with the stick and it jolts the fucking thing, but that's the only downside.
Be able to do it with that hydraulic one where I'm getting.
Definitely, yeah. But because that's on them spindle, the thread, which
this is on in and out.
Step like what a 3D printer will use for the track. Yeah, on a hydraulic, definitely fucking will jolt it then, won't you?
Yeah, everything.
That's the only thing you probably can't do with that.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
So what a hydraulic one will do. Fucking epic though, bro. It's like technology these days that are fucking bringing all the shit like this out. These have been out years though, mate. I've never seen one in action. Not like it. On YouTube, I've seen them massive.
Yeah. Have you seen the big shows what they do and stuff? In America?
I've just seen them where they're digging a full-on trench with these fucking...
Oh, yeah.
Big ones though, they were like fucking massive diggers, but they were like remote control.
Yeah, like massive things on lorries and stuff.
They were digging out real trenches, bruv.
Yeah, that proper fucking job, innit, yeah.
Like proper, like taking the work out of their hands and putting it in a remote control. They are diggers, they you can use them in real fucking life.
Oh yeah.
Thing, I mean, they obviously are doing. Move that camera now, will the screen come on? Or stay off?
Stay off, yeah.
It's alright, because you know where the fucking thing's coming from.
Yeah. The only thing is that exploring, I have to turn this on mark all the time.
Yeah.
I don't know where the camera's looking, like I say.
Yeah. Fucking realism in that one.
Crazy, innit?
How easy is it to control the fucker?
Fucking hard, mate, huh?
Is it?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Right, okay.
Oh, you'll pick it off after a few days of it, like, fucking a few temps, like.
What? What?
Yeah.
Oh, that was fucking failure, wasn't it? Oh, what's going on?
Lift it up the other way.
Oh,
Yeah, down that way, yeah.
oh my god. That's solid, bro. I can't do it. It's fucked. Oh my god, I can't do it. Oh, fuck. There you go.
You go down the
Oh,
other
what's
way.
going on? Oh, mate, your lady looks simple as fuck. Oh, what's happening?
You need to lift it
Yes!
up,
Oh, mate, have that back, that's horrible. Mate, I need a day's training on that, cunt.
yeah. Literally, innit? It's mad, innit?
Mate, I swear down, I need a day's training on it.
Fucking duffo.
I'd be quicker learning a normal digger. Oh, wow.
Mad,
You
innit?
make it look simple, bro.
Do I, yeah.
Didn't you put the newbie videos on? When you
Yeah,
first had
yeah.
your hands?
Yeah.
Oh, you should have done it. Watch the progress.
Yeah, that's what I've done, yeah. I put the first one on, I'm like, yeah. Yeah.
Doing what I'm doing,
Looking at
like
the
fucking
fucking
making
controller, like, oh yeah, that
Mate,
one
you're a
does
proper
that,
pro
yeah.
with it now, though, aren't you?
Oh, I don't know. Oh yeah.
You know, with these, right, you could have competitions. You could take part in
Oh,
competitions. Who can fill the truck up? So like
the
you've
quickest,
you've
yeah.
both got the same digger. You've both got the same wagon that you're filling up. You've both got the same
same amount of
mount,
dirt,
and
yeah.
and it's like who can fill that up quicker? Who's
Yeah.
the better fucking digger controller? And that's what you'd have with
Yeah, that's
rather than
what
having
you
a
do,
race.
like, yeah.
You'd do it like that, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Who can fill up the digger? Like,
Mad though, innit?
yeah, man. I didn't realise it was that hard to fucking use, bro. Can you set the controls inputs on there or not? Like, would you be able to change?
I don't
or
know,
is that
to be fair. I think
set
that's
up?
set, innit? Yeah. I think that's set.
It's fucked up. I can't get to grips, like, because it doesn't correspond with what you think it's going to be.
I know, yeah.
Do you know what I mean? It's
innit?
like you
Yeah.
push up and it's going down.
Down, yeah. It is weird, I give you that one, yeah.
You're fucking like a pro with it, though. It's like you've been in demolition for about 10 years.
Practice, innit?
I wonder if you'd have give him the control of that guy that was here just. I wonder
Oh,
if
he
you'd give
would've
anyone
been.
will control it.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
What do you reckon it's like, sort of the same, how they've laid that out?
Yeah, yeah. Down some proper shit in a minute. Flattening it out, innit?
What's it like for climbing? Can it climb up that little mound?
What first do you?
Yeah. It's good if you could get that recording coming up there. You know what I mean?
I know, yeah.
Coming up and then coming to work at the top. Something like that. Ollie. Have you tried it coming up there?
No. You can try it going
I
down,
think
innit?
it should do. It's on track, isn't it? Yeah, that's that bucket. I think it'll piss it up there, to be honest. You go on, grip him up that way. Mate, you can move any mountain that can with that fucking. That's... I don't know, maybe come from the side or something. Yeah, left that bucket. Mental.
Just how the papa came down.
Yes, man.
Not cutters.
Yeah. See if you can get the bucket come right close to the camera, spinning it round, you know what I mean? Would it be able to do that? When you're spinning it round, you can get right close to the camera, so you'd have to bring it all the way in, I think. Yeah, man. Mate, that'll look good on bit, that one. Don't took my money away from now.
The team goes over there. I know, fucking knees.
Nettles.